Most people think AI is just a tool to make their jobs easier, but the truth is, it's coming for your job. In fact, 70% of jobs are at risk of being replaced by AI in the next 5 years. But what if I told you that you can not only survive this shift but thrive in an AI-driven world? By understanding the top 3 AI tools that will replace your job, you can position yourself for success and profit from this revolution. The first AI tool that will replace your job is automated data analysis. With the ability to process vast amounts of data in seconds, AI-powered tools can provide insights that would take humans hours to uncover. But that's not all. AI can also create content, from articles to videos, at an unprecedented scale and speed. This means that content creators will need to adapt and find new ways to add value to their work. The second AI tool that will replace your job is virtual customer service. AI-powered chatbots can provide 24/7 support, answering customer inquiries and resolving issues in real time. But what about the jobs that require human touch and empathy? While AI can mimic certain aspects of human interaction, it's still limited in its ability to understand the nuances of human emotion. The third AI tool that will replace your job is predictive maintenance. With the ability to analyze sensor data and predict equipment failures, AI can help reduce downtime and increase overall efficiency. So, how can you profit from these AI tools? By understanding how to work with AI, you can increase your productivity, efficiency, and creativity, making you a more valuable asset to your organization. But don't just take our word for it, the numbers speak for themselves. Companies that have adopted AI have seen significant increases in revenue and competitiveness. So, what are you waiting for? The clock is ticking, and the sooner you adapt to the AI revolution, the better equipped you'll be to thrive in an AI-driven world. Take the first step today and join the AI revolution.